What I am explaining here, when we drive a car and you are a good driver, then you have no accident and you are able to protect life of car. You feel great peace and joy. If you are having full control over senses, mind and reasoning, then you will enjoy million times more peace and joy what we can imagine. Then we will have no accident during our all activities of senses, mind and reasoning. Misinterpretation is called accident. Incorrect concept is called accident. Confused state is called great accident. Ignorance is called the fracture of the personality. Everything is fractured. Now, through this practice, very sincerely we realize that we have full control over everything, then enjoy great peace. And keep on practicing it. At the end, we realize it is God who has become all. Then you will love everybody very deeply. They love or not, but you will show your great love. Then you will never fight, and they can't fight with you because you never fight. Therefore, when you spread Kriya Yoga sincerely everywhere, all fight and war will stop. And when fight and war stop, we save a lot of economy of the nation, personal economy, and we save a lot of time to progress. Most of the energy and money is used in fighting and counter effect of fighting. Then what is the conclusion? That there is only one way. Keep on practicing Kriya Yoga. Suppose that we just keep on talking about Kriya Yoga, keep on reading it, it doesn't help. Exactly I explained just before, if there is a coal, charcoal, and keep on talking that if you are feeling cold, try to have the heat. When you are in the contact with the heat, you will have no cold. If charcoal gives a lot of speeches, it doesn't work. But if charcoal gets converted into burning fire, and charcoal comes in contact with anyone, that person will have heat. Therefore, when we lecture, become good, live good, harm no one, it doesn't help. Just become like burning fire, become like change, and when you get change, anyone will come in contact, they will change. Therefore, this is very important point. You see all over the world, the false spirituality is spread everywhere. This body is mortal. What we feel pain and pleasure is mortal. God is immortal. God never suffers, we are suffering. God is omnipresent, we are limited. Remember, who is immortal, omnipresent, omniscient? You can't see them. This is so surprising. It means the principle of this style, that God is omnipresent, omniscient, and immortal, never suffers, we are suffering, this is complete false. If God is immortal, omnipresent, we must see them. If we are not seeing them, this is the false concept. What is the real concept? It is God who has become me and you. It is God who has become earth and sky. It is God who has become cold and heat. It is God who has become all. Then when we have devotion in God, then keep on concentrating first on the self head to toes and appreciate all changes, presence of God. Then you will realize that you have no problem in the life. What is the most important thing? What is the most important work? What is the highest aim of life? Practicing preservation of self. And where is the self? How to get self? Self has become visible presence head to toes. then how to preserve it, how to protect it. Keep on learning it more and more, then you will realize that you are getting everything what you need to fulfill your dreams and desires. Then how to practice self-preservation. Keep on concentrating on self and become one with the self and appreciate whatever you realize. When you will show complete love with the self, what has become head to toes, then you will know how to protect it. Therefore, this practice alone will fulfill all dreams and desires, whatever we have in our life. If you want to get something, just practice self-preservation. In this preservation of self, you will attain the maximum height of self-realization. For example, Jesus Christ and Lord Krishna. You can become like them. Then listening is not sufficient. Just start practice. And remember, during practice, you have to demonstrate that you are having infinite patience. When patience is infinite, then you will know what is practice. When you are all the time looking at the time and are counting the days and years, how many hours we have practiced, how many days we have practiced, and how many months we have practiced, we are not seeing the result, you will never get the true practice. Therefore, always try to accept one thing, practice as never before. I am trying my level best today. I am going to pour my all devotion and awareness that I will practice today as never before. Just start this. And have faith. Many have demonstrated. You see, Lahiri Mahasaya demonstrated complete realization of truth. Sitting at one place, he was able to go different places and to get work done. Sometimes somebody will recognize, if he decides to be recognized. Therefore, remember, if Lahiri Mahasaya can attain that height, and Ratnakar can attain that height, Kabir and Nanak Dev Ji, Jesus Christ, Ram and Krishna, we can also get that. But you have to practice sincerely. And this practice will demonstrate full control over senses and mind and reasoning power. This is for today.